Who did?
Young girl them accept the bun because things are blood. Tabo Yamit, what is fucking? Eh? Stop it. You cried too long now. You're soon dead. Do we soon kill you? Precious. I need to calm down. You're dead. I would dare to get rest.
I wish all that is so I'm a regular. Who that woman here? Woman. I don't know that woman.
God, there's no such thing as Yamit. Tax unconscious. Listen to this. As long as you live for 365 dear at the ear, you shall get one.
That's it. And with a big old cow nose ring. Let me tell you, blood. I'm not married to your nasty dog. You nor the world can't tell me when to stop Carl doing him, how to Carl doing him, and tell me if Dewey go kill a dog. You can't tell me that Dewey supposed to get bun left, right, and center because a young man may do it as you said. But me not supposed to get that disrespect. Man, I'm to have the next and I top me in my blood head. So I tell me, say, trim young me for strong and hide and rock on my baby. Woman come suck up me and do a bad son the girl. Come suck up me and do it after. Woman, I make me stay with my peel out. Nasty woman come near me and it's all text setting all vagabond. You don't know that vagabond here?
So in case of you loving him and can't let him,
that woman, that one can't tell me when me for vent, when me for take, when me for...
Look here, me love you, but you saw you cry. Cover the blood.
You're the dirty woman, no? And you can't take... Who that woman here? Who know that woman here?
Look here, me love you, but you saw you...
Me know why you love me, woman. Come I suck you one, come...
Picky nigga head, pandy crying, it don't look good. It don't look good. You know what probably they do it that the little picky head said. Listen, Queen, tap it, you shall get bun till you bun up under the comfort. So it's time for your problem.
So, hello, girl. No one is cussing about boy. Let get the hair clear. Me, Queenie, nah cuss about bun. Me help Cam go get woman relationship and girl for take my and him stand up for girl and not stand up for me. And that man attack but no girl not for come before your wife. So if I offend me and my husband I got there. Remember last year August the girl when nearly stopped Instagram him depend with the girl I justify. Yeah, hide from me and yeah justify. Come how much time I got telling the son for come I have the sucking the work and crush me up like blood beef. I get 2 slices of bread and steam some blood. Me, now be the first. Me, now be the blood. I'm full of blood confidence. You were still on attack, you don't have a husband. So you could never be a Yamit woman. If it was a woman not, more dirty woman, who don't know that woman make a clap.
Get bun till a blood upon thy comforter. You hear me say? You're not with a 50-odd-year-old man.
Dirty woman, 50-odd-year-old man, worse than the young them. Call them Tek Viagra, all sort, for boots them married life woman. And me alone can't dictate to this guy. None of you can tell me when, where, and how. Who know that woman here? What? Now we can't see somebody send me this old Jezebel. I tell me shall get one. Me not cuss over that bun. I don't want a bad problem. And the respect what the man now give me. And the frighten, him not frighten over me and him frighten for me. So I not have no word. So when coming at that dirty woman, come suck out under my arm. Come lick out my arm with all of the smell bad right? All of that are your one lady. And that by the way. But we are all the man we can't take. And you can look hyper for me any my life. Oh shit. What happened? Anybody me want cuss, me cuss. I know one of the trick. What you want to tell me say, young boy for age come off for almanac, that's enough to talk about. Oh, no. Me did that one. I'm glad my bad. I'm glad my arm. I'm glad my blood. And I come tell me about my ear side picky out on dear lady. So if you have a husband and him can't accept it with you, a younger woman and the art. And this is why I'm impressed on move that when my head up take me. Not where my one, when my one can't stay for me. That queen is. Be legend, curse it on your tree top, pick up the blossom. Make you hold your hand, girl. This long time, girl, me never see you. Go make me hold you. I would have woman here. But Queenie, stop it. Just think like Queenie and do it. Outer father, you can't tell me when I express myself. Rocky Beach is clear for me when I hide myself in the. No. Oh, yeah, I can't get that man can't chat to me. You know the queue, you know the line. I wait to get the get all of this. Me not like it, so I have to be more loud. Yeah, loud and not all foot. We can't take up one man from Jamaica and Martin and within a year class foreign. And within 1 year come up from him travel over to sit down and hide it because me are impressed on him. I'm not impressed with the class, you know. Because the man who married me not impressed. Why should I come here and say, oh, how to he? He's a young boy. He's allowed to give me up in a saga because now. Stop it. We big woman. We big woman. Don't mix me weeble. Weeble. You know when you the flitters and flitters get out and I spoil, look on the woman. I come tell me about when me I do the odds, I must make sure I do my ear. Because of the ear line, when me I cuss. And the ear, what a right Nazareth. See how that? Who know her?